Bank charges in payments received. Learn how to record bank charges in Zoho Books when receiving customer payments. This tutorial explains how to adjust for transaction fees deducted by banks or payment gateways to keep your invoice payments accurate and account balances correct. Managing bank charges properly ensures precise reconciliation and smooth cash flow tracking. We will enter bank charges in payment received. Select payment received and open a new record payment. You can select your customer. So now for an example, if you are paying for if you are receiving money from your foreign customer, or if they are paying from the credit card, bank will charge some bank charge from your payment. So we can record that bank charge when you are entering the payment received. We can select the customer. Assume your bank will charge 3% from your payments if the customer pays via credit card. So our payment is 100, so bank will charge 3%, so we will enter 3, and other details we can fill: payment date and bank transfer, deposit to those account will we can select. Now here main point is customer paying 100 via credit card and bank will charge 3%. So we will enter this detail and we will save as paid. Right, now like that we can pay. So when we go to the journal entry for that payment received, you can see bank fees and charges 3, HSBC, that our bank debit 97, and unearned revenue 100, that is that from the customer. Okay, so here you can see 100 we have received or 100 paid by customer. However, it will debit only 97 in our bank account. So we will go to this customer. So here also you can see it's unused credit is 100. That is, we can apply that 100 to our outstanding invoices. However, system has or bank has deducted that 3% from our account, so we can add that bank account bank charges when you are creating the receipts. So we will create invoice for this customer. On this, right, now you can see that 100 rupees. I will create new one. I'll make the invoice for 100 rupees. Right, now we can apply that previous receipt 100. We'll go to receipt and check. Right, now you can see that initial payment is 100. However, bank has charged 3% and it will debit only 97 for our account. So from here you can easily maintain your bank charges without entering another transaction for the bank charges.